Are you tired of dealing with acne? It's a common issue that many of us face, and it's not just a teenage problem. Acne affects people of all ages, proving to be a persistent and frustrating concern. There are various factors that contribute to this skin nuisance, from hormonal changes to dietary habits, and even stress. It can feel like a never-ending battle, as if you're always on the defensive. But don't worry, we have some effective home remedies that could help you manage your acne. Before we dive into the remedies, it's important to understand what acne is. Acne is a skin condition that occurs when your hair follicles become plugged with oil and dead skin cells. It often causes whiteheads, blackheads, or pimples, and typically appears on the face, forehead, chest, upper back, and shoulders. Acne is most common among teenagers, but it affects people of all ages. There are several types of acne, including inflammatory acne like papules and pustules, and non-inflammatory acne like blackheads and whiteheads. Hormonal changes, stress, certain medications, and a diet rich in refined sugars or carbohydrates can all contribute to acne. But remember, acne is a common condition, affecting up to 85% of people at some point in their lives. It's nothing to be ashamed of, and most importantly, it's treatable. Now that we have a better understanding of acne, let's explore some home remedies. Our first home remedy involves the use of honey and cinnamon. These two ingredients may seem like they belong in your morning toast, but they're actually powerful acne fighters. To create your own honey and cinnamon mask, start by mixing 2 tablespoons of raw honey with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Stir until the ingredients form a paste. Before applying the mask, make sure your face is clean and dry. Spread the mixture evenly across your problem areas. Now let's talk about why this remedy works. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin. It also has antibacterial properties that can help kill off acne-causing bacteria. Cinnamon, on the other hand, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help reduce redness and inflammation associated with acne. After applying the mask, sit back and relax for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse off the mask with warm water. Remember to rinse off the mask after 15 to 20 minutes. The second remedy is simple and involves using aloe vera. You've probably seen this plant sitting in the corner of your local grocery store or even in your grandmother's kitchen. But have you ever thought about how it could help your acne? Aloe vera is a plant that has been used for centuries for its healing properties. It's packed with antioxidants, enzymes, and is highly anti-inflammatory. This makes it a perfect candidate for tackling those pesky pimples. Here's how you use it. Simply cut open a leaf from an aloe vera plant. You'll see a gooey gel inside. That's what you want. Gently apply this gel directly to your skin and let it dry. It's that easy. Not only will it soothe your skin, but it can also help reduce redness and swelling, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Remember, for the most effective results, consistency is key. Apply aloe vera daily for the best results. Our third remedy is the use of tea tree oil. This potent essential oil, native to Australia, has been used for centuries to treat a variety of skin conditions. Its popularity in the realm of acne remedies is largely due to its powerful antibacterial properties. However, tea tree oil is a potent substance and should be used with caution. It's crucial to remember that it should never be applied directly to the skin. Instead, always dilute it with a carrier oil, such as jojoba or almond oil, before applying it to your skin. A good rule of thumb is to mix 1 part tea tree oil with 9 parts carrier oil. This diluted mixture can then be applied to the affected areas with a cotton swab. The tea tree oil works to kill the bacteria that cause acne, helping to clear up your skin. But be patient, results may take a few weeks to appear. Remember, a little goes a long way. Let's recap what we've learned today. We've delved into 3 potent home remedies that you can utilize in your quest for clearer skin. Remember, these are just potential tools in your arsenal, and it's essential to understand that what works for one person may not necessarily work for everyone. Firstly, we explored the honey and cinnamon mask. This sweet and spicy mix is more than just a treat for your taste buds. Its antibacterial properties can work wonders on your skin, helping to curb the proliferation of acne-causing bacteria. However, always remember to test it on a small patch of skin first to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions. Next, we touched upon the soothing qualities of aloe vera. This miracle plant is known for its healing and anti-inflammatory properties, potentially reducing redness and swelling associated with acne. But again, it's crucial to test it on a small area of your skin before applying it more broadly. And finally, we discuss the power of tea tree oil. This potent essential oil can help to fight off the bacteria causing those pesky pimples. But remember, it's a powerful substance and should always be used sparingly and diluted properly. Keep in mind, if your acne persists or worsens, it's always a good idea to consult a dermatologist. They can provide you with a tailored treatment plan that addresses your specific needs. Remember, you're not alone in this fight against acne. There are remedies and help available. Thank you for watching and take care of your skin.